Varsity here. Let's go past this one, that way we'll pull in, you'll be able to see it better. We normally turn in there, but the sun will be in our eyes there. We'll turn in right here, and we will be, we could have went in, no, I think it had a curve up back there. We will turn in right here in a second. Monday, the 18th of December, 2023. Oh me, oh my, oh folks, we're going to get off as soon as we can. 316 and 85. I don't know how close the nearest exit is, but we're going to take it as soon as possible. We know alternatives if we can just get over. They've got us blocked with this wall. It's only supposed to get to 52 today. We're headed west, headed back to Vicky's. 26 tonight. Let's see, it's probably about 46, 47 today, right now, maybe 48. It may get higher than 52, but that's what they're predicting anyway. 46. It may not get any higher. It says we're in Duluth, Georgia. Our plan is to, or was to, get off at Norcross, get off at Jimmy Carter, maybe get a Varsity burger, go Norcross Tucker through Chamblee Tucker, and then go in 285 or go inside the perimeter, catch Peachtree Industrial, whatever it is there in Chamblee. Turn right on, I think it's probably Ashford Dunwoody. Go out and turn left on Windsor Parkway and cut all the way through over Roswell Road on over to either new north side or either 75 and go north. But I guess we may deviate a little bit here. If we can get off. Traffic has picked up a little bit. We may be able to stay on. We know alternatives. If we top this hill and it's like this all the way on down and we can get off, we're going to. We can get off, cut south over to Lilburn and cut down 29. There's several different ways we could go. I should have cranked my assistant up and had her check where I could see the traffic and know what I could have done sooner. I would have gotten off back there at US 29 and gone down through Lawrenceville. Would like to get over one or two lanes. It looks like it's moving faster, but I don't want to take the chance on it stopping up here and then can't get off at all. We may get off at Beaver Ruin. I don't know that we've got the option to get off at Pleasant Hill now. I don't think we do. I don't think we want to anyway. Look at it over there. Looks like this lane may run out. Does this lane run out? runs out. We need to get over. Or does it? I think it does. Yeah, it does up there. And we won't be able to see now. Well, he let that guy over. We got a chance to get over. Okay, let's get over. It could be a mistake, but yeah, see that lanes over there are moving quicker. Okay, let's turn it off for right now. Okay, we may have a break. It's sped up a little bit, but I don't want to take the chance on it stopping again. We're going to get off here at Beaver Ruin. Well, it says not but 11 to 13 minutes to junction 285. We could get off at Indian Trail. Moving on down to Jimmy Carter. That's what I'd like to do, is get off at Jimmy Carter. These exits aren't so far apart that we could get stuck for too long, I don't think. We will, Indian Trail is 2 miles. No, 1 mile. So we'll stay on to at least Indian Trail. It wouldn't be much trouble to cut on over from Indian Trail. We intend to go in ITP inside the perimeter, skirt, or either go through Chamblee, run parallel to 285 on Windsor Parkway, take Mt Paran, cross over Roswell Road, take Mt Paran over to New North Side, or either 75 and go north. Should we get off at Indian Trail here? I doubt you can see the traffic behind. Maybe you can. At 11 o'clock. peach pie. We won't get a drink. And that's going to be about $13 even without a drink. This will be a wrap of our second video. When we leave the Varsity, we will hit Norcross Tucker, cut across, pick up Chamblee Tucker, go in. That'll be a long video if we do all of it all the way across Windsor Parkway though. I need a couple long videos, maybe an hour video. Okay, we're going to get, let's see, which lane do we need to be in? We're going to go left. Both of these lanes go left. Okay, now we need to get over. Okay, now we are fine. I like the way they do these crisscross bridge things now. It works out a whole lot better, I think. That'll turn green and let us scoot on over to the Varsity. Let's go ahead and this will be a wrap, and then we may add the Varsity on. It may not be a wrap. We'll probably add the Varsity on here. Okay, we're going to turn in here to the Varsity, and this will be a wrap. I guess they take these big vans around and sell here, there, and different places. We're going to back in right over here. We'll get us a bite to eat. Seeing that we didn't have any breakfast. Okay, that's a wrap.